Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a comparison of Proton Mail and Gmail. We want to see which of them is the ultimate choice. We know that you need an email, but the question is which one? Is it the privacy-focused Proton Mail or the feature-packed giant Gmail? Let's break down which one you should use. Let's start with Gmail, which is the convenience king. Gmail is the all-in-one powerhouse. It is free, deeply integrated with the Google ecosystem like Google Drive, Google Docs, and Google Meet, and has arguably the best spam filter and search on the planet. Its AI features like Help Me Write are getting scarily smart. If you live in the Google world, it is incredibly seamless. Now let's look at Proton Mail. Proton Mail is a privacy fortress. It is built on a completely different principle, which is privacy. Based in Switzerland, it operates under strict privacy laws. Your emails are end-to-end encrypted, meaning not even Proton can read them. It's open source and ad-free. You are not the product. Your privacy is the priority. The new Proton ecosystem also includes a calendar, Drive, and a VPN. Now let's look at their key differences. When it comes to privacy, Proton wins, hands down. Gmail scans emails for ads and features. When you look at the features and integration, Gmail wins because its ecosystem is unmatched. When we look at price, Gmail is free. Proton has a strong free tier, but for more storage and features, you need a paid plan. When we look at user experience, Gmail is sleek and AI driven. Proton is clean and secure, but can feel more minimalistic. So what's the verdict? Who should use which? Well, it's very simple. If you want maximum convenience, powerful AI tools, and live deep inside the Google ecosystem, then you can choose Gmail. It is perfect for most everyday users. But if your number one priority is privacy and security, then choose Proton Mail. It is essential for journalists, activists, businesses handling sensitive data, or anyone who wants to move away from big tech. So you see, it's not about which is better, but which is better for you. Let us know your choice in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe for more tech showdowns.